Hi there, Melody from WTI, and if you're looking to change things up in your bathroom a little bit, or if you're just looking for a really nice towel set, then you really need to check out these towels from Pidada. This gorgeous set of towels, they're very elegant, versatile. They're suitable for a variety of styles no matter which home or place you put them in. I really love this set. It comes with 1 bath towel and 2 hand towels. It does come in different sets and colors, but I love this set. I love the little edges here and how they're just finished off perfectly. And because it's made out of 100% cotton, check out how absorbent this is. I put a little water here in the bottom, and this hand towel is just absorbing every little bit of that water. Super soft, absorbent, beautiful. And let's not forget about the size. The bath towel is 27 by 55, and the hand towels are both 13 by 29. Perfect for the beach, home, decoration, or as a gift. So whatever the reason for shopping, you're gonna love this set. That's my point of view.